This example will show you integrate room database with ViewModel and LiveData. So these are the functionality implemented inside the Kotlin. So LiveData in the sense whenever we are updating the data, immediately it will reflect on it. So here when we tap on this insert button, so the data of the employee will be stored inside the database and immediately it will be reflect on the screen recycler view. For this we implemented the live data. So let's check it. So here it is inserting the data in the database, and from there again it is reflecting like this. It will be. So this is called the live data updations from the room database. So you can find the code in the below link. Thank you.